Hello everyone, welcome to the O Brien Hall here at the San Diego County Fairgrounds, where California Deluxe Windows will be here till July 7th. Come check us out and take a look at some incredible products, such as the accordion door, also a window. It folds, and if you want a complete opening, it folds like an accordion to give you one big opening. We can make screens that retract from each point fully so you have no bugs and no dirt coming through your house. As we walk over here to our double French door, let me show you the corner cut, guys. We're talking about a high quality material with a reinforced frame and a reinforced sash. 3 times thicker glass, 3/16 inch thick. We use cylinder cap hinges, so there's no screws with the hinges. Nobody can unscrew them. Unlike our competitors, we make hinges that are adjustable. So when there's movement on the floor, we can adjust the door panel back down to the settling. As you noticed, we do offer some really good quality products. Look at these hinges, no screws. Our doors open fully, whether you want them to in-swing or outswing. We can make retractable screens. Unlike our competitors, we have a 5-point lock, just like a vault door at a safe in a bank. It locks at the top, it locks at the bottom, and all the locks on the side move with the handle movement. Incredible 5-point lock with the handle movements. When you close the door, you have a key entry on the outside standard feature. Close the door, lock it with your handle. No more locks at the top. And when you lock this handle, it locks 5 times in 5 points with just the handle moving up. Fantastic. Deadbolts. As we move over to the sliding patio door, again, incredible features. We have a door that opens, but instead of using a stick, you have kicks. Kick locks, kicks, no sticks. Now you have double latches on our doors, top and bottom. It comes with a screen, barely visible, but high quality fiberglass meshed. All of our screens have locks. So when you want to lock the screen, you can lock it so nobody can open it from outside. It's also accessible from the outside too. All of our doors have standard key entries on French doors and sliding doors. When you want to close the door, you simply lock the track, no more sticks, and have a draft, no stick in the track. Our doors are so easy to move, you can move it with your pinky. Also, lock the door, lock the track, double security. Any grid features is optional. We make them in any colors. We could put doggy doors in the glass. Everything is custom made. As you noticed, we also do windows. Windows that can go all the way up, windows that can go all the way down, and instead of leaving a stick on the bottom, windows that can have a draft from the bottom, a draft from the top, and a draft on both ends. Instead of going outside to clean the window, you can clean the outside from the inside. Weather stripping around the window. Now, we use cam locks. We don't use power latches. When you want to be able to take the window and clean the top, this is our double hung. It pulls in from the top as well for easy cleaning. All of our windows and doors have interlocking lips, so when you close the window, it has an airtight seal. Our windows can come in any color. You can do it inside or outside. You could do silver, you could do black. You could do wood look like wood. All of our windows have a reinforcement through the frames and through the sashes. We have a 1/8 inch thick glass, and unlike our competitors, windows that slide, windows that fold in for easy cleaning. How awesome is that? We do the casement windows that can crank all the way at a 90-degree angle and all the way back in. Amazing. As we walk over here, let me show you another product. The double hung window. Now we have the single hungs. Single hungs can go all the way up from the bottom. You have a built-in tab so you can have a draft at the bottom. It can pull in for easy cleaning. And the screens come out from the inside, not from the outside. As you've noticed, we also do the German style tilt and turn windows. Amazing. These windows have unique features so you can clean the outside from the inside. You have a screen for a draft and dirt protection and a window that tilts. We could take these windows and we could turn them into side lights on French doors. How incredible is that? When you have a sliding window, 9 out of 10 windows in the market today slide, but they have a power latch and they have a gap. And when you take the window out, the competitor makes you lift it up and pull it out from the bottom. We do not have a gap in our windows. Our windows are like this. Simply slide the window. You have a tab to have a draft, but rather than lift it up and pull it in, there's no gap. So how do you take the window out? You simply pull these tabs down, it pops the window right off, and you can bring it to the floor. Our product is so durable because it has a steel reinforced frame and sash. The company can make it and I can stand on it. The glass is so thick that I can stand on it at 220 pounds. Amazing. Lastly, our signature window is much different because unlike any other window in the market today, not only does it slide, but instead of going outside to clean it, you can clean the outside from the inside. Isn't that so cool? We have these built-in tabs, so rather than using a stick and breaching the security of your home, you can still have a draft without the stick. Instead of going outside to get the screen simply comes out from the inside. No maintenance, easy to clean. Now you have a pass-through feature. Simply take it out, put it back in. If you noticed right here, the window has weather stripping all around it. If you see, there's a lip here and there's cam locks. Now the reason for that is simply this. We make a window where instead of having the draft come through the frame, the rattling and the noisy whistling of the frame, these windows, frames, sashes interlock into each other for an airtight seal. No more noise through the window. Such a cool invention. Everything we do is custom made, custom designed, installed by us. Absolutely no middleman, no subcontractor. Factory direct, one-stop shop. Come check us out at the O Brien Hall at the San Diego County Fair till July 7th.